Hello and welcome back to Native English Academy. Have you ever said something in English and later realized it sounded a little strange? Don't worry, everyone makes mistakes while learning a new language. The good news is that every mistake is an opportunity to improve. In today's lesson, we'll look at 10 of the most common English mistakes that learners make and learn the correct way to say them. By the end of this video, you'll sound more natural and feel more confident when speaking English. So let's get started. Mistake 1. He go to school. He go to school. He goes to school. Remember, with he, she, and it, most present simple verbs take s or us. Examples. She works every day. My brother likes football. It rains a lot here. Mistake 2. I am agree. I am agree. I agree. Agree is a verb, not an adjective. Correct. I agree with you. We all agree. Mistake 3. I have 20 years. I have 20 years. I am 20 years old. Use be to talk about age. Examples. She is 15 years old. They are 30. Mistake 4. Can you borrow me your pen? Borrow me your pen. Lend me your pen. Remember, borrow equals receive. Lend equals give. Example. Can I borrow your phone? Sure. I'll lend it to you. Mistake 5. I am living here since 2020. I am living here since 2020. I have lived here since 2020. Use present perfect with since and for. Examples. I have known him for 5 years. She has worked here since 2022. Mistake 6. People is happy. People is happy. People are happy. People is plural. More examples. People like music. People are friendly. Mistake 7. I look forward to meet you. I look forward to meet you. I look forward to meeting you. After look forward to, use verb plusing. Examples. I look forward to hearing from you. We look forward to seeing you. Mistake 8. More better. More better. Better. Better is already the comparative form. Correct. This book is better. Today is better than yesterday. Mistake 9. I didn't went. I didn't went. I didn't go. After did, always use the base verb. Examples. I didn't eat. She didn't come. They didn't know. Mistake 10. How is called this? How is called this? What is this called? Examples. What is this called in English? What do you call this? Quick practice. Choose the correct sentence. She go to work. She goes to work. Correct answer. She goes to work. Another one. I didn't saw him. I didn't see him. Correct answer. I didn't see him. Excellent. Tips to avoid mistakes. Listen to English every day. Read English books and articles. Speak without being afraid of mistakes. Practice grammar in real conversations. Learn complete sentences instead of single words. Consistent daily practice is one of the best ways to improve your fluency and confidence. 5-minute English 1. Outro. That's all for today's lesson. Now you know 10 common English mistakes and how to correct them. Try using these correct sentences in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Thank you for watching Native English Academy. See you in the next video. Asterisk, asterisk, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English. Asterisk, asterisk.